Hi, this is Mike with Jane Reviews, and today I'm reviewing the Nintendo 3DS XL. So this is the larger one, black and red version. This sticker is mine, so it doesn't come with the game, with the console, just letting you know. So this is the Nintendo 3DS, so it has the control here that you can move to choose, whatever you want to do. It's also touch screen, so you can just press it with your fingers. You can click view details and then things pop up. So you can definitely do that. If you want to play a game, like you can pick a game here, click open, and then the game will begin. And it's nice because it has a dual screen. So you have the screen here, and you also have it here, right? So then what's nice about this is this also has this switch right here for the 3D. So that's why it's called a 3DS. So if you want it more 3D looking, you do this, and then you can, if you don't want any, you just put it down. So yeah, so then there's that. So there you go. So I'll show you. So if you put the 3D all the way, some games don't, this won't do anything. Like in this case, it's not really doing much. The screen should look a little different. Let me see if I can go back to the home screen. So you have here the select, the home, and the start button. Press the home screen, you would go back. And then, yeah, and then here it should work. So as you see, when I move this up, it goes a little 3D-ish. You can see it changes a little bit slightly. So some games use this feature a lot, some don't. This is the volume on the side. You can see it, put the volume up. And then this is where you put the game. This is where you would charge. This is the L button, the R button. The other buttons are here. This is where the power button is. And I already mentioned these buttons. And this is the back. And of course, when you put a game in, you just press this down. Game pops up, you pull it out, and when you want to play it, you just put it in, press it down, and that's it. See, and then there the game popped up. So that's basically it. It's a great little console to take with you anywhere you want to go. If you're on the go or you're going to be in line or something, this is a great console to take with you. So highly recommend it, and hope you enjoy.